this video, I'm pretty much just gonna make a video on disassembling the bars. I'm gonna get my bars and my race rails powder coated. They're still in the mill. Yeah, I'm just gonna go into out. We're gonna start on the right side bar. This is one piece right here, up to these bolts. I think this comes apart from the bottom there. And then this is the front brake. And it just has 2 bolts right there. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do the right side. And then, oh, that's a lot of shit there. Okay, easy enough. Get your bit stuck in something like a, it's like a hex hole or something. Just put some lube down there. In this case, I did isopropyl alcohol, and it'll penetrate the sides and make it wiggle it free. All right, what's this throttle doing? Let's go ahead and undo these bolts. This piece clamps down on the throttle tube, so when you pull this up, there's gonna be the throttle cable right here. You're gonna wanna push this throttle cable up and out of this hole. All right, just like that though. Just like slide that bitch out one way or the other. All right, and then there is another one down here, and that goes up and out of its channel. Here we go. Slide that guy off. And I have to take that apart. So I'm gonna replace it with some Vans grips. Just like my shoes. All right, now we're gonna do this guy, I believe, and I think there's just 2 Phillips at the bottom of it. We're gonna get the, I don't know what you call it, the ignition switch, I guess? The ignition switch. This, oh, little sidebar. This is probably my favorite garage item that I own. They're like little puzzle pieces, like kids' little puzzle pieces. And they are from, they're an artist, I forgot what the artist name is, but my friend gave them to me and I use them in the garage, and they keep my knees cushioned. All right, and this is just on the inside, just like that. So there's just 2 screws that holds it together, and there's just wiring in there, so that's pretty sick. Ooh, sick, dog. Sick. What we gotta do to take the display off is just zap these 2 bolts. And they're in there good. When you're hitting it with the impact, don't be afraid to hammer at it. It's got a little Loctite on it, so. They came out Loctite on them. I don't really know what Loctite. It kind of looked like maybe it was orange. I would just use Loctite orange or blue on them. So display is off. So what we're gonna do basically is move over to the left side and finish up taking everything off the bars before we unclamp the bars. Admittedly, this is not the funniest thing ever because this bike cost me like 10 grand, but freaking scratched up the side of it. That's tough. I'm just gonna hit this one with microfiber, just rest this brake on here. Anyway, we're gonna do this side, and we're gonna do the mirror first, and then we're gonna do the bar end, and then the grip, and then the electronics, and then the clutch lever. Little guy, what are you? No. Alright. Easy money. Whoops. Oh. Oh, whoops. I was just being a pussy. Secret tip 2. If you get the socket stuck in the hole, you can lube it up first, and if it still doesn't come undone, you can drop it on something soft like a piece of wood and like basically hit it with a vibration. You need to pry the rubber up from the metal, get lube in there, and then kind of work it off of the handlebars. There we go. Get that broken free. See, it just spins freely. You can just trusty Phillips head. Bada bing, bada boom. There's just a bunch of wires in here. Can you see this? Let that hang. And we're gonna get this guy. Boss up. Undo this. Like 3 times, what the hell? There's a nut right here that I'm about to undo. Oh, for sure it is from the boss. Okay, the other side was spinning, so I like hit it with some needle nose. Taking this bolt out to hopefully let the clutch free. All right, and then just take it out of there. There we go. Or yeah, I did actually. I was trying to pull this out here. There you go. Okay. Slide it out. And these guys do not have. Screw around here and stuff, and try to hit as many bolts as you can dead on, and don't cut corners, and you know, strip your bolts and stuff. Yes, not really what this thing is for, but whatever. All the lights. There we go. That's how you take the bars off the Yamaha MT07, but overall it's pretty easy. It's like taking off accessories off of your bicycle, I guess. You just do all that in reverse order to put the bars back on. And I'll be posting some videos when I get this painted all sparkly blue, and also with the new race rails on.
Several days later.
Hey everyone, we made it back from the powder coater, and look at how these colors turned out. Those bars turned out amazing. I think the colors are all coming together really well. And the baby girl's looking gorgeous. I put those Vans grips on as well, the gum color. And yeah, I think it's all tied together really well. Like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more content that's coming soon. Later, guys.